Text Expander from Smile is supporting this edition of Mac Voices. Text Expander can help you be more productive in every single application on your Mac. Find out how at textexpander.com. Hi, I'm Chuck Joyner. Mac Voices is at CES and ShowStoppers in Las Vegas. I'm in the Iconcase booth talking to Pavel about Iconcase and what it brings. Yes, I know there are a lot of cases out there, but the interesting thing is cases are adding more and more function. And this is just one of those cases that has an actual function. Pavel, it's great to see you.
Nice to meet you. Thank you. Absolutely.
Tell us about Iconcase.
Yeah, you're right. I mean, the market is full of different type of cases, but definitely we have something really special to show you. And actually, I can just show you in a very easy way, and then we will show it to the camera. But I'm just giving a call. Here we are. Here you can see. I'm just giving a call.
Right.
And then now you can see that it's like pretty good case. It's almost the same as the original Apple cases. I mean, it has the same dimensions. And now I'm giving a call. And here you can see it has a notification on the back. And I mean, you have different type of notifications. It works via the Bluetooth technology. So I can even get out of the case. I can put the case away from the phone and it still will work. Because here you can see I have another case and it's also pumping up the notification that someone is calling me. So that's the way technology is actually working. I don't need to talk to myself here. Yeah, so it has a wireless charging technology inside. So the connection between the phone and the case is a Bluetooth connection. And then the case itself, it like works forever because it has a battery inside and the battery is rechargeable. So, and it's rechargeable via the wireless charging technology.
And this is just a Qi charger, it doesn't matter.
Absolutely.
It's not a special Qi charger.
Absolutely, absolutely. So then it lasts for like 1 week since you just charge it for like 1.5 hours, something like this. And then we have plenty of different designs. And then we have this classic version, and this one is a classic version when you have just two different notifications. Pump up. This one pumps up since someone is actually giving you incoming call, and this one pumps up if someone is just sending you any text messages.
Very nice.
That's the way it works.
So what we have here, we have a lot of personalizations for different companies. Is this something that you can personalize a case? If we ordered some for my company, I can hand these out?
Absolutely. Yes, absolutely. I mean, here I just want to showcase the customization capabilities of the Iconcase. Actually, still, I mean, it's the product for the mass market. And then you're able to choose one of the designs we already have. And those are kind of like B2B perspective, yes, for this type of business. Exactly.
Are these available now?
Not yet.
Okay.
It's not yet available, but we are going to hit the market in February. The beginning of February, it should be available on the web. Yeah.
And what kind of pricing will there be? Do you know yet?
Yeah, I can tell you. So the price for this one, which is the new generation, which has a wireless charging technology, here it will be $49.99 shelf price. And the one which is in a Luna case, the first generation, this will go for $39.99 on the shelf. And the same February this year. So less than in a month, we will hit the US market with these products.
The website where folks can go to learn more about it, your website.
Yes, this is the website. I mean, you can get more information here, which is www.iconcase.tech. And here you have all the information and specification. Exactly.
Great. Pavel, thanks so much for the time. Nice product.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Folks, more from CES in Las Vegas. I'm Chuck Joyner. Thanks for watching. Visit MacVoices.com for show notes and to connect with Chuck on social media. Get involved in our Mac Voices Facebook group and get more out of your Apple tech with Mac Voices magazine, free on Flipboard. And if you find value in it all, consider supporting us at patreon.com/MacVoices and join these folks who help keep Mac Voices coming to you. Advertising handled by Backbeat Media at backbeatmedia.com. Bandwidth provided by CacheFly at cachefly.com.